Okay, so we have a question right here. It says two sources produce waves with a phase difference of 40 degrees. Which of the following gives the angle of 40 degrees in radians? Now this question is simply asking us if we can convert this 40 degrees into radians, right? So it's very simple. First, we need to know, or we already know, that a circle is what? 360 degrees, right? Or in radians, it is 2 pi, okay? Now we can use the cross multiplication. It's very simple, okay? So we will say that 360 degrees is 2 pi, okay? So if I want 40 degrees, how much, sorry, how much will be it in radians, right? So we will just cross multiply, right? So this with this and this with this, right? Okay, now it will be 360 degree and question mark, let's replace it with x, okay? Multiply with x, okay, equals to 2 pi times 40, okay? Now we need this x, right? So we will shift this 360 degree to the right side, okay? So it will be x equals to 2 pi times 40 divided by 360, okay? So yeah, this is your answer, and let's check our options. So option number A is correct. Let's check the other options as well for safety purposes, okay? So this is wrong, it's opposite, and this is also wrong because they didn't mention the 2 pi. Pi is like a half circle, so we don't want that. And D is also wrong because it's opposite and it also is like a pi. We need 2 pi. So your final answer is A, okay?
Follow for more.